I started losing my hair when I was close to 40. Actually, I was late because people sometimes start losing their hair in the early 20s. But I had a lot of hair until my 40, and right now 57. Well, I tried vitamins. I tried a different Rogaine. I tried different things, that I look in the TV. But I knew from the bottom of my heart that that I have to do a procedure, a hair transplant procedure, to get the results that I was expecting. I am from the Miami area, so I did a lot of research of doctors in the Miami area, but none of them got me, that feeling that it was not what I was looking for. When I saw Dr. Bolton, even though he was a little bit, north, like an hour from Miami, I did my research and called the office and started looking at the pictures, and I look at every single movie, every single picture, and I just decided that he was the doctor. I got that feeling from my heart that he was the doctor. So, and I was 100% right. My procedure day was great. No pain. We have a lot of fun. We went like this. The suture line, my hairdresser had 3 procedures done out of the country, and nothing compared to what I got. He's so happy that he asked me he will come to see Dr. Bolton. So he said that all the people that he has seen, having the procedure, there's always a line, bigger or smaller, but there's a line. But in my case, he said, I never seen anything like that, And actually, he's going to be probably a Dr. Bolton future patient. Communication is not an issue. Any question, right away, email, phone calls, it was answered like this, so no problem at all whatsoever. And the results are truly amazing, one procedure. I thank Dr. Bolton because it really, my expectations were met and beyond.